Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Hamburg Swap Meet, put on by the AACA. I'm not even going to attempt to butcher their name. What a little sweetheart on this 273. Dodge Dart GT. Manual transmission, hot stuff, 4-speed. Wow. Now, I like the GT because of the roof treatment. I remember we used to get those in vinyl. Is this one in vinyl? Yep. You notice the vinyl in the front half? A lot of times that was color keyed, black with red or whatever. What an honest little car. It's not that bad. It's cold out here, so we're getting some smoke. I gotta ask, of course. This is a really fairly rare bird. Got the Go package. Nice. That's for sure. How much are you asking?
$7,800.
Not bad. Not bad. But today,
if you buy today, we'll not only give you a big hug and a kiss, but we'll put $100 in a gift certificate that you can spend in any Kmart store on the East Coast.
you can still find. Oh, that was good. That was good. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Hamburg Flea Market. You see what you guys are missing? Come on down. Mark it on your calendars for next year. Check Northeast Wheels Events. That's it. I'll see you guys at the shows.